Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make a schedule of power on or off on Vivo Y04. If you're using Vivo Y04 and now you want to make a schedule of power on or off on your phone, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for shortcuts and accessibility. Then select task timer here, and here you just have to select schedule power on or off. And here you can easily get the schedule of power on or power off. You can easily customize them if you want, and just select one, then select time to customize the time. And here's the days. You can easily select for repetition. After select customization, just have one done, and after that your schedule will be ready. So that's how you can easily make a schedule of power on or off on your Vivo Y04. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.